Hi there lovely people, you've got Sammy here, and today we are going to be completing the Posy wheel square as part of our 365 Granny Square a Day crochet along project. So I've just made a start by doing a chain of 5, slip stitching together to form a ring, and then doing a chain of 4. The chain of 4 is going to count as our first double crochet and a chain of 1. We're going to work another double crochet into the ring, and a chain of 1, another double crochet, and a chain of 1, and I'm just going to continue repeating that until I have 8 double crochet and 8 chain 1 spaces. Now that 8 is including our starting chain, because that chain of 4 was counting as a double crochet and a chain of 1. So to finish off this round, we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd loop of the starting chain, and I will be changing colours for round 2. I'll see you back here soon. Okay guys, round 1 complete. So we've got our 8 double crochet, each separated by a chain of 1. I've joined my new colour into a chain 1 space with a slip stitch, and we're going to be doing a beginning 3 double crochet cluster. So to start, we do a chain of 2, yarn over, insert our hook and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and finish the stitch. Chain 3, and this next part we're going to repeat 7 times, and that'll get us back to our starting point where we will join with a slip stitch to the beginning 3 double crochet cluster. So our next one isn't a beginning, it's just a 3 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2. We're going to do that one more time, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 4 loops on our hook. Chain 3, and then pop another 3 double crochet cluster into the next chain 1 space. So we're going to repeat that. At the end of this round we'll have 8 3 double crochet clusters and 8 chain 3 spaces. I will be changing colours again for round 3. So I'll see you back here shortly. Okay, round 2 completed. I've actually gone back to my first colour to get a better effect with the wheel in the center of this. It'll make more sense in a minute. I've just joined that new colour anyway into the top of a 3 double crochet cluster with a slip stitch and then a chain 1. Now we're going to repeat this 8 times, which will bring us all the way back to the beginning. We're going to pop 2 single crochet into the top of the 3 double crochet cluster, a single crochet into the chain 3 space, a double crochet into the double crochet from round 1. So I'm going to move my clusters to the side, go down and just do a nice long double crochet. You want this round to sit nice and flat, round, not flat, round. Anyway, and then another single crochet into the chain 3 space. So we're going to repeat that all the way around, but you can see how that long double crochet kind of pulls the colour out from the center and brings it to the edge of this round. The chain 3 double crochet cluster gets 2 single crochet, single crochet into the chain space, double crochet into the double crochet from round 1, not pulling that in too tight because we want it to sit nice and straight, and a single crochet into the chain space again. But you can see how it's all sitting fairly even. We're going to have a nice circle at the end of this round. At the end of this round, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch in this square. I have 32 single crochet and 8 double crochet. I'll meet you back here with a new colour, ready for round 4. We'll start squaring this beautiful little circle. Okay, you can see how that colour goes through now to make a really nice wheel effect, and it's quite round. Round 4, I've joined my new colour in to the second single crochet. Anyone's fine, but the 2 single crochet together are in the top of the 3 double crochet. So we're going into the second one with a slip stitch, doing a chain of 1, which doesn't count as a stitch. And then we're going to single crochet into the same space, and the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 altogether, including our first one. Then we are going to repeat this next pattern all the way back to the beginning, where we'll slip stitch into our first single crochet. So we're going to pop a half double crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet into the one after that. The next stitch will be our corner. So we're going to pop a double crochet, a chain 2, and then another double crochet into the same stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch, half double into the one following that, and then 5 single crochet. So we're going to repeat that along the remaining sides. So 5 single crochet form our side, working out for our corner. Yarn buff. Ugh. Why do you torment me so? Alright, 5 single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, corner, so a double crochet, a chain of 2, and another double crochet to form our corner. Look at that. Ugh. Gently, gently, we don't want to make it worse. Alright, coming out of our corner, a double crochet, a half double crochet, and 5 single crochet. So you can see we're squaring up nicely. I'll let you guys finish off those last 2 corners and 2 sides. At the end of this round, you'll have 16 double crochet, 4 chain 2 spaces, 8 half double crochet, and 20 single crochet. I'll meet you back here for round 5 with another new colour. See you soon. Okay, lovelies, we're back and looking gorgeous. Squared up really quickly. I do love that when we start in the round and it squares up quick. Round 5, I've joined my new colour into a chain 2 space, so that's in the corner. With a slip stitch, I'm just going to chain 2, which will count as a half double crochet. I'm going to pop another half double crochet into that same corner chain space. Chain 2, and 2 half double crochet into the same corner chain space. Okay, now we're going to repeat this 4 times. 4 sides, makes sense. Making sure we don't miss our first stitch, we're going to put a half double crochet into each stitch down the side. So that'll be 11 stitches to get to our next corner chain space. where we'll be repeating our start with 2 half double crochet, a chain of 2 and another 2 half double crochet into the chain space. So nice and easy for round 5, just firming up and further squaring off this little beauty. So I'll let you guys work this round of half double crochet. At the end of the round, you'll have 60 half double crochet and 4 chain 2 spaces. I will meet you back here ready for round 6, which will be our final round. See you soon. Okay guys, back. Nice and firm, nice and square now. It's a gorgeous little square, and I think it could get me out of a bind with a blanket that I haven't quite made for Christmas yet, because it has worked up really quickly. Our final round, round 6, I've joined my new colour in with a slip stitch into the corner space, done a chain of 1, which doesn't count as a stitch. I'm going to pop a half double crochet into that corner chain space, chain 2, and another half double crochet, chain 1, going to skip 1 stitch and pop a half double crochet into the next, from there we chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet into the next. So we're going to repeat that all the way down the row to our corner chain space, where we'll go in with two half double crochet, a chain 2 and 2 half double crochet, and that finishes our square. I hope you've enjoyed hooking it up as much as I have. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have a fantastic day, and until next time, happy hooking.